that we've taken a look at electronic components, mechanical components, packaging and accessories, assembly instructions, and inventory management, we're able to put it all together on one page, the dashboard. Let's take a look. Simply go to the Dashboard tab here on the left, and you'll be sent to a summary of all the information that we've been inputting in this demo. From here, at a glance, you're able to see all the important information that you need to know to see whether your product is running smoothly or not. This includes information like units remaining, estimated days of stock, units sold in the last 30 days, raw stock remaining, units in production, units cost, as well as a visual breakdown of your products sold this past year. So the goal of this is that you're able to live here and see at a glance whether your product is doing well or not. From here, you're able to dive into more specific details and ask the right questions. So this is the dashboard on Product Hubb. This summarizes all of the other information that we've been going through, including electronic components, mechanical components, packaging and accessories, assembly instructions, and inventory. From here, you're able to see everything at a glance. This has been the Product Hubb platform demo. Thank you so much for checking out our demo of the Product Hubb platform. If you like what you saw, make sure to check out our other blogs on all the other different features that Product Hubb has. Make sure to follow us on social media. All the links are in the description below. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. And remember, Product Hubb makes manufacturing easy.